Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see right now we are in the video mode, so we have to switch to the standard photo one. So let's tap on it, and here we have to take a look at this option bar at the very top, and in the right upper corner we've got 3 dots again, so let's tap on it. And as you can see right here we've got the timer, it just popped out, and we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the timer turned off, so as you can see this clock icon is crossed out. What's more, it's highlighted in this orangish color, I would say, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. As you can see, it flashed a little. So you can set 3 or 10 seconds delay if you want to. Let's begin with 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it. As you can see right now, this option is highlighted, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that we've got this 10-second delay inside the shutter button. So after tapping on it, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so we can also check 3 seconds delay, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.